You own a Ram truck. There's a $67 maintenance mistake you're probably making right now. It destroys your engine completely. The repair, $7,500. I see this every week at the shop. Owners ignore it until catastrophic failure happens. Do this today and your engine lasts 300,000 miles. Skip it and you're paying for complete engine rebuild soon. The mistake, never changing your differential fluid. $67 prevents $7,000 in damage. Here's why this matters so much. Your Ram has a rear differential. Gears inside spin at high speed under extreme pressure. Fluid lubricates and cools these gears constantly. Factory says change it at 100,000 miles. That's way too late. Fluid breaks down at 70,000 miles on Ram. When fluid fails, metal shavings contaminate the differential. Gears grind metal on metal. Bearings overheat. Everything destroys itself from inside out completely. The symptoms you'll notice first, whining noise from rear of truck. Gets louder when accelerating, worse when turning. That's metal grinding. By the time you hear noise, damage already started. Repair cost, $2,800 minimum for differential rebuild or replacement. But it gets worse. If differential seizes while driving, rear wheels lock up, you lose control, axle breaks. Now it's catastrophic damage. Total cost when it fails catastrophically. Differential replacement, $2,800. Axle repair, $800. Tow truck, $300. Labor, $2,600. Grand total, $7,500. All because you skipped $67 fluid change at 70,000 miles every time. How to prevent this completely? Change rear differential fluid every 60,000 miles. Not 100,000, 60,000 miles maximum always. What fluid to use? 75 watt 980 gear oil. Ram specific limited slip additive required. Mopar brand recommended. Total cost $67. DIY, $47 parts, 1 hour work. Shop service, $67 to $120 total. Either way cheaper than Catastrophe. When to do it based on your current mileage now. Under 60,000 miles, schedule at 60,000. 6 to 80,000, do it this week immediately. Over 80,000 never done, do it tomorrow. Over 100,000, pray it's not too late already now. Signs it's already too late to save. Loud grinding noise present. Metal shavings and old fluid visible. Differential hot to touch always after. Driving. If you have these signs, get diagnosis immediately. Might need rebuild now. But changing fluid might buy you time still possibly. Your action plan starting right now today. Check your maintenance records. When was differential fluid last changed? Never changed means do it immediately. Changed over 60,000 miles ago means overdue now. Get it done this week. $67 saves $7,500. Bottom line, this is the most ignored maintenance on Ram trucks. It's also the most expensive when it fails catastrophically every time. Don't be the owner paying $7,500. Be the owner who spent $67. Do it today. Your differential will.